We're on our way back now. We found all 5 plates. Awesomeness. Actually, I have to give most of the credit to my team partner there, Lisa on Lucky. Yeah, it's a team effort, but you did find most of the plates. That last one was only because I stepped on it, I think. But oh my God, what a great ride. What a beautiful, beautiful day. And the horses are in great shape, and the saddle actually feels like it's going to work out. I'll know more when I take it off and see whether or not there were rub spots, but I'm loving it. This is just awesome, and Kitty's happy girl. We'll let you know exactly how far we went and how fast and all that, but we did take a couple of breaks and gave them both some time off because they're doing great stuff. But Kitty, of course, has not been out doing this kind of stuff for quite a few months. So yay us, yay her. She's in great condition for being the condition she's in. And pretty soon we'll be down at the bottom and pick up the pace just a bit. But right now we're heading back down after finding the last plate. What a gorgeous day in Washington State.